now let's get into the different options that are there. That is Azure Service Bus, Event Hub, and Event Grid. Now, what exactly is Azure Service Bus? Azure Service Bus stands as a comprehensive message broker service that is perfectly managed and equipped with queues and topics subscription capabilities. It is designed to meet the standards of enterprise-level applications that necessitate advanced features such as transaction support, sequencing, identification, and handling of duplicate messages, and as well as provides immediate consistency. The platform is adept at maintaining reliable state transitions in business workflows, thus making it essential for operations that cannot afford to lose or mismanage critical messages. Service Bus is an ideal solution for maintaining high security communications that allows to bridge the gap between on-premises systems and cloud services, thus providing a seamless hybrid cloud architecture. So let me show you what exactly is Service Bus in the portal, and this is where I can go here. Now, what I need to do, I have created a simple one Service Bus for you, but let me just start from scratch. And but you could come over here, you could come to the portal, and then if you search for service, you'll see this option, and it will lead you to this page. Now, if I come here, I can click the create button, and this will allow me to create the Service Bus. As you see, there is a subscription. I could choose the different subscription. I could choose the resource group. In this case, I could just choose the particular resource group. Now, namespace is something that is going to be a unique name that's going to be global. So you'll want to ensure that whatever name you choose is not going to be not just specific for your subscription, but it doesn't collide with other subscription as well. So in this case, I'll just put like sample, like Service Bus, and I'll just put, I think this should be good. So this already exists, so I'll just put YouTube here at the end. So this should cover it. And now this is another aspect of messaging that we need to understand, which is pricing tier. That is, you could always go with premium. Premium, as you see, it's going to be way more expensive than compared to the other options, which is where what we advise our customers here at Arina Technologies is that for non-production environment, you're better off going with a standard or even a basic messaging, because you don't really need the features of a premium. Please drop in the comment if you want to have the video walk me through what are the different tiering options and the comparison of those. So I can always create one for you. But in non-production environment, you're better off going with a standard and a basic. And in a production environment, premium is highly recommended. But for the sake of this, I'll just choose standard over here. And I go to next advanced. The TLS version, you would want to ensure that you choose the right version. Of course, we'll recommend you to choose the version 1.2. And then if you go to networking, you could choose now that this is the main difference, because in non-production environment, you will only be able to get is only available on the premium namespaces. So that is where we say that, okay, at a production environment, you would want to keep it private, and hence the requirement for a premium tier. Tags is there, you do it, you create it, and once you do, you can always create it. And it's going to be creating it'll validate it for you. Once you can validate, it'll create it. So it's as simple as that. You go ahead and create a bus compared to on-prem solutions such as ActiveMQ or even Kafka, where you have to spin up a VM and then provide the disk storage and then the cluster configuration. Service Bus is so very simple. You just saw in a matter of 3 clicks, I'm able to create the Service Bus. So I hope this portal provides a good understanding of how you could go about creating different Service Bus, the namespaces that are there, the different options that are there. Like over here, you see it's complete. If I go here, I can go inside and see that what are the different options out here. I could see I could have a queues. I could have a topic, queues and topics. I hope everybody understands the difference. So I'll not get into it for the sake of this video. But you have all these standard features that are there in Azure resources.